Alright, this is, I guess, what Keith is going to call, well, it's a longer fulcrum. This would be, I hope I'm right, I guess it's what he would call about an 8 fulcrum. It actually, the through tube here actually, you can see, comes out about 7 5/8, so I'll call it an 8. Because it sticks out 8 inches past where the normal 0 fulcrum would be. And this adds quite a bit of stability. You can cut, what I figured out so far is actually the length of the through tube, so this one being an 8, this adds 8 inches to the amount of cut that you can get in depth. And I'll turn this on just to show you how much less it's vibrating, chattering, and how much less bar flex you get. This pretty much takes you back to, I don't know, I'm throwing numbers out there, but it takes you back to where you were at before, like, feels like you're cutting maybe at 15, 18 inches, 20 inches, somewhere in that range. You still get a little flex, but there's hardly any chatter. And I feel confident we're at 26 inches right now. We're going to be able to get quite a bit deeper. And I'm just taking fairly light cuts. Taking off maybe, you know, an 1/8 of an inch or so each pass. Let me cut the leg off, baby. Show that the depth. We were with the 0 fulcrum at 26 1/8. We're, you know, basically now 26 1/2. This would be sticking right in the neck of your form. Standard bar, it's not that much bigger, so it'll fit in, you know, in a neck of really any size. The standard bar is 1.25 inches. This brings it out to, let's see, what would that be? 1.75 inches. So a 1/2 inch bigger in diameter overall. So not that big of a deal. We'll pull the rest back and try it again. Let's set it to 28 inches. Well, that's at 29. We'll just start right there. So that's another 3 inches. Raise the cutter up to, I raise it up to slightly above center. It's that far away. By the time you get a little flex in the bar, it puts you right about center. Inches. Still cutting away. Alright, I'm going to change out bars. I've run out of bar pretty much. And go back and keep going as far as we can.